It's a good day to the legal gurus, to the custodians of law. My name is Kim, and in this video, I'll put you through to the case of Namibia Competition Commission vs Puma Energy Namibia Pty by discussing the principles of separations of power operates between the government branches and the independence of constitutional entity. I'll put you through quick the case so you can understand through the summary of the case. The High Court set aside with cost an expiry order granted in terms of Section 34, subsection 1, 2, and 3 of the Competition Act 2 of 2003 in favor of Competition Commission against the respondent, which is said to be Puma Namibia. An expiry order actually was set aside on the ground that an employee who applied for it from the Commission is said to be incompetent, as declared in terms of Section 34, subsection 3 of the Act, and only an inspector appointed in terms of Section 14 of the Act was competent to apply for such an order. Let's now consider the ruling by the Supreme Court on an appeal. On an appeal to the Supreme Court, the Commission argued that the High Court misdirected itself on a purposeful intentions of the Act. The Commission power of investigations of suspected abuse of a dominant position, contrary to Section 26 of the Act, included the power of seeking of the power of search and seizure warrant, and that the Commission therefore lawfully delegated that power to its secretary. Further held that the High Court correctly concluded that the power to seek search and seizure could only be lawfully applied by an inspector appointed in terms of Section 14 of the Act, because if we are to consider the common law, a power can only be exercised by a functionary in whom it is vested in purposefully interpreting the relevant provisions to imply such a power in Commission's main power of investigations of prohibited conduct under Parts Roman 1 and 2 of the Act would disturb the fundamental feature of the Act and undermine clear legislative intention.